इस वक्त जानकारी हमें मिल रही है. The river Yamuna in Delhi also is continuing to flow near the danger mark. This rise in water level comes due to heavy rainfall in the region. Along with this, authorities have asked residents nearby to maintain caution. In fact, Arzu Seth has sent us a ground report from Yamuna Old Railway Bridge.
The Yamuna River is likely to breach the danger mark as the water level is rising continuously. Right now we are present at the old railway bridge and would like to show you the picture of the Yamuna River. As you can clearly see, the Yamuna River is likely to breach the danger mark and it's flowing near the danger mark itself. It has already crossed the warning level as the water level is right now 204.58 meters at the old railway bridge. Itself, as the water level of ORB may cross the danger level, is likely to reach at 205.36 meter, means above the danger mark, and all officers are hereby advised to keep the close eyes and in their respective areas and take necessary actions at the vulnerable points. Also, people residing within the river embankments shall be warned, and in fact people who are living in the low-lying area, it's a major issue for them because as the water level rises in the Yamuna River, the water reaches to their residents and it creates a lot of mess for those people. And as of now, it is being said that the warning has been issued to those people as the Yamuna River is flowing continuously, and also it is near the danger level, danger mark. So it's arrangements are also being made to shift them to a safer place. This is what the flood warning has said. So the flood warning has been issued for the people living in the low-lying area, and also there are arrangements at the banks of the river Yamuna. People are being said to be shifted to the safer place in case of, if the water level reaches above the danger mark. So there are temporary tents that have been made, near the Mayur Vihar, near the ITO, so that people who are residing in the low-lying area can be shifted to those camps. So in fact, the authorities are gearing up in case of any emergency like situation or any in any situation comes in front of them in case of water level that reaches the above the danger level. As you can clearly see, if the water level goes above the 504.33 meters, means that above the danger mark, the evacuation of the people start at 206 meter, because till then the water reaches the low-lying area to the residents of the people who live in the low-lying area. So definitely it's a alarming situation. As you can clearly see the fast-flowing river, and it remains the concern for the people who are living in the banks of the river Yamuna, like Yamuna Vihar, Yamuna Market, which is one of the area where the water reaches first after increasing in the Yamuna River. So definitely a flood warning has been issued for the national capital. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Ankush for NewsX in Delhi.